My teacher is so great, you see. She always smiles and teaches me. From ABC to 1 to 3, she makes the world so fun and free. She reads us stories every day and helps us learn in every way. She claps and cheers when we do right and makes the classroom shine so bright. With chalk in hand and heart so kind, she fills up every growing mind. When I feel low, she lifts me high. She tells me you can reach the sky. She draws and dances, sings with glee, and paints the world for you and me. Her words are warm like morning sun. She makes each lesson so much fun. She helps me try when things go wrong. She teaches us to all be strong. Don't give up, she always says. Keep learning in your happy ways. She knows each name and every face. She fills our hearts with love and grace. She cheers us on from front to end. Our teacher, mentor, guide, and friend. We sing and laugh, we read and play. We learn new things every day. Because of her we shine so bright. She is our classroom's guiding light. So here's a cheer from A to Z for the best teacher there could be. We love you more than words can say. Thank you, teacher, hip hip, hooray.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.